As I reflect on this past year, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for your dedication to helping others change their lives. MTC is truly unique. The programs, support, and medical services we provide to at-risk individuals are dynamic. Our success is due to your collaborative efforts, positive attitudes, and innovative ideas. Each of you are instrumental in guiding others towards a brighter future. I am proud of the kindness and compassion shown to our residents and students by our staff, volunteers, and partners. During my visits to our various locations, I have seen firsthand how each site fosters a spirit of hope and unity. This holiday season, let's continue to foster this spirit of hope and encourage those that we serve to embrace positive and lasting change. Together, we are making a lasting social impact on our community. Thank you for your commitment to MTC's mission. May this holiday season bring you and your loved ones joy, peace, and happiness.